What's up, y'all? I told you guys in the last video that I was gonna do a slime video with him because I pranked him and he got mad because we watched it and uploaded it. He got mad and he died. And we're gonna get any ice cream. Sorry. He's just mad. Okay, so here. Let me take off my coat actually because I forgot, like in my last video, to take off my coat. Because I told you guys I was, but I didn't. So, yeah. Hold on, Cam. Hey. So, yeah, we're going to do a slime video. So, let's get it. So, he's playing with the slime right now. He has a slime. Right.
I have the dead ray.
Sorry, guys, we're in the car. Because we're outside and we're in the car. We're like at the house. We just wanted to chill in the car because it's quiet in here and it's very loud in the house. So we just decided to come in the car and just chill out. And he came with me. So, yeah. And that's why I did a prank with him. Like, oh my gosh, 3 videos in a day. Like, how is that possible? I mean, it is possible, but...
You got some little slime over here. And you got some little slime.
Gosh, he is so loud. Oh, I taught him how to do this so he knows how. Sorry guys, let me get this out the way.
I make a taco.
You did not make a taco. Don't you dare eat that. Okay, so yeah.
How do you
He's gonna play with the slime, and yeah, and I'm gonna help him. So
I'm gonna make a girl. She's a girl.
Yeah. So yeah, we will see you right now. Okay, so he's gonna play with the slime. What are you doing? Okay, so guys, as I said, he's gonna play with the slime, like I said, yeah. So yeah, let him play with the slime, and then I'll help him if he needs them to get off of his hand. Hold on. Say, take the camera.
Take the camera.
No. Oh my gosh, I told him to take the camera and he just repeats after me. Like, I know you guys sometimes repeat after me because I have to tell him what to say because he doesn't know what to say. He just says there and just plays with the slime. Like, what the... What? Okay, so, yeah. I don't think this is going to be a long video because he doesn't really do anything with the slime.
I did it?
Yeah. Okay, so.
I got my nail. It's a nail purple.
Here, let me get that off of you, boy.
No, it's no. It's a no.
I'm playing with a little slime right here. What a big slime I have. Okay, so yeah.
Big one.
There, thank you. What a big slime I had.
Ooh, it's up. My slime is up.
Mm-hmm.
My slime is big.
Mm-hmm.
It goes big.
Mm. Here, let me take that.
Huh?
There. You play with that. I'll play with this. Alright. Okay. Dang. Okay, that's enough.
You two have some of my slime.
There.
But you two have...
No,
enough.
that's enough. I don't want no more.
I want to pour some more in mine.
Guys, go check out my Musical.ly account. Like, it's Nigel
I can't do
Jones
it on
07.
mine. I didn't do it on mine. I did it on
Here,
mine.
you bring a little bit out and then you play with it, okay? Like me.
And now you.
That's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's yours and that's mine. Listen to this. Okay. So So let's play.
Can I use the Red Bull? And
No. Here, use this right here.
And use your slime.
Actually, yeah, you can use the Red Bull.
Should I use your slime when you put
Hold
it
on,
in
let me
the-
get this off of the thing.
Well, don't
Move your the red thing. Okay, now you can put it on there.
Yeah.
So guys, this is our slime.
Now you
And
can
we
use
have
it
big
then.
slimes. Like, look at that. It's so big. Like, oh my gosh.
I'm going with mine.
Let's mix it together. Okay, you already mixed it together, okay? He's trying to do the pokes. It's so cute. Trying to make a burrito? Are you going to make a burrito?
Yeah.
Hello. No,
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. What's that supposed to be?
It's called a Dorito.
A Dorito?
Yeah. This.
That's a Dorito.
Where's your slime? You put it on the bowl because I put it by my slime.
Here, get that off of you. You gonna get on your clothes, Kim? Dang, look how fresh your clothes is. And you gonna mess your clothes up like that? Dang. Hold on, stop playing with the slime right now. Let me get your
Mine is big.
hold on. Here, pull up your sleeve so you won't, you know.
Hey!
I'm trying to help you out. What you talking about, boy? Dang. I'm the one that should say dang. Gotta say it like that. Hold on. Put this one up, too. I can't do with one hand, so you're gonna have to help me, boy. I'm carrying the camera. And
Yeah.
by the way, go check up my cousin's Musical.ly account because we are zebras. We do not have any merch. We don't sell merch. We used to, but we don't. Sorry, guys. Because we don't have enough money to
Yes,
like
I'm
get
gonna show
shirts
you.
and stuff and then just buy. Why did you do that, boy? Now, how are we going to do this? Are you kidding me? Look what he did. Oh my gosh, camera. No, don't do this no more. You're ruining the thingy.
Do it right here.
No, I don't want to play with slime anymore. Okay, cut. Okay, so, yeah, guys, we're gonna wrap up the video. We're gonna stop the video.
I'm opening the juice.
Stop yelling at me, boy. Okay, so guys, love you guys. See you tomorrow or today because you know if anything's possible, we could do 4 videos, 5 videos, 10 videos in a day. Like, you know, because I already did like 3 videos in a day. Well, this is my 3rd video in a day. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. And we will see you later.